Welcome back. Today I'm going to be telling you about the best deals going on over at Target and at Walmart for the week. Lots of great deals. I'll walk you through each of these step by step, as well as share some of the clearance finds that I saw while I was in the store. Now, before I get into that, I want to tell you about this perfume that I learned about recently. Now, I'm going to drop the clip in here in just a second because I filmed it right about the time that I got them in the mail because I wanted to share them with you as soon as possible. But definitely check out this company if you're into perfume. I have a discount code and a link for you guys if you want to take advantage of that discount. I'll drop those down below in the comment section. If you're into designer fragrances, I have some products here you might be interested in checking out. Dossier wanted to create premium fragrances, but at a price point that was accessible for everyone. And so I have a few different ones that I want to tell you about, but you can order these on their website, or you can also find them in Walmart stores, and they are available online at walmart.com. I did notice on their website that you can order completely risk-free. So if you order 3 or more bottles, shipping is always free. You can try the perfume. If you don't like it, you can return them completely risk-free. So that's pretty awesome with something like fragrances where you really need to smell them to know if you're gonna like them. I got ambery vanilla. I'm a vanilla girl, and so I wanted to try that. I also picked up their floral marshmallow, and both of these smell amazing. But what I like is they came so beautifully packaged, so it would make a little, a sweet little gift, and it has like notes on the product, and it tells you what like designer perfume it was inspired by. So if you have a favorite like designer fragrance, you can find what their company offers as something similar. They also have a genderless line. That's something new that they came out with. And so this Sunny scent is from that line as well. And I'll put all of this down in the video description box, as well as a discount for you guys. So if you like trying different perfumes and different scents, definitely check out their products. I think the ambery vanilla is my favorite, but that's no surprise because I love how vanilla smells. So either through their website, or you can find them on walmart.com or in Walmart stores. So it is actually Tuesday night as I'm filming this, and I feel like it's Friday. I mean, yesterday was such a long day. We had like 4 places we were supposed to be, and every single one of them overlapped. So it was a little insane yesterday, but we made it, and we got to enjoy, my son and I got to go to a show together, which was lovely. So that was really fun. Let's talk about Target. There are a couple of amazing moneymakers at Target. Now, when I was at Target, I saw a lot of stuff in the vitamins section marked on clearance. So vitamins as well as medicine. The Welly brand, 70% off on those items. Most of the vitamins were between 30 and 50% off, but if that's something that you buy regularly, definitely check out that aisle. Now, look for these Nariva vitamins. My store only had the Relax and Sleep. Now, these are $6.64 when they are clearanced 50% off, which is what my store had them at. Now, look in your Target app. You're going to find a $5 Target Circle offer, as well as a 20% off vitamins offer. So, at the register, I paid $8.28 for both of these. I got back $5 for each of them on Ibotta, so $10 back on Ibotta. Now, I only used a coupon on one of them, so I submitted the other to coupons.com for $5 back there as well, making my final cost completely free, and a $6.72 moneymaker on these vitamins. Now, the Ibotta offer is a limit of 5. My store only had 2, so I purchased 2 of them. But if you have the $5 Target Circle, you do the other one on coupons.com. Check the ShopMam app to see if there's a $5 coupon there, because then you could do that one for the third one that you purchase. Any way you look at it, this is an amazing moneymaker deal. Now, the Astapro Allergy. This is another great deal at Target, and I believe you could do the deal at Walmart as well. I just picked it up at Target. It's $15.29 at Target. There's a $5 digital coupon, which makes it $10.29. When you purchase one of these, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card back, which I did at the register. Then I had an $8 Fetch Rewards offer. So I got $8 back on Fetch Rewards, making my final cost completely free, and a $2.71 moneymaker on this Astapro Allergy. Now, if you're brand new to Fetch, it's a great app. It's free. Use my referral code here because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan your first receipt with using Fetch. Now, last week I told you I picked up the mac and cheese at Target. You could do this deal at Target. You could do it at Walmart, at your grocery store. At Target, they're 99 cents. My Ibotta offer is for 20 cents back, making it just 79 cents. I'm recaffeinating here as the evening goes on. After I film this video, I'm going to exercise, and then I still have to make dinner. So these Totino's pizza rolls, never had them, can't tell you if they're any good. I just know it was a good price because there were 2 different Target Circle offers for 20% off. So these are $5.79. I had 2 20% off offers clipped that took the price down to $3.70. So that's like $2.09 off the regular price. Seems like a great deal, especially if that's something that your family eats. Now, last week I bought those Smucker's Uncrustables. Someone else said they liked them. My son did not like them. I tasted them. I could not stomach it. I didn't like it at all. But we're all different. So if you love it, great. But my personal opinion on those Smucker's, not a great deal. But I believe that deal is still going on this week. Always check my Walmart Target video from the week before because a lot of the Walmart deals are still around, and sometimes even some of the Target deals are still going on in that next week. Now, that was everything I did at Target. Now let's talk about Walmart. So, what do I want to say first? Clearance. Let's talk about clearance at Walmart. Again, I'll put the pictures at the end, but tons of stuff on clearance at Walmart. A lot of clothes, a lot of shoes, and I'm still finding food. So let me show you a few things that are down here that I did buy. The Harry Potter and the Friends PJ pants, normally $12.98. They were marked down to $3. The kids clothing, tons of stuff, $1, $3, $5. I bought just the plain long sleeve shirt in that Wonder Nation brand, $1 for that. I picked up one in gray and one in black. I grabbed it in what I thought my son would be in next year when it gets cold again. So I got one in gray, one in black, and then the athletic material, long sleeve shirts, the Russell brand. These were ringing up $3, so I picked up one of those as well. Trying to think if there was anything else on clearance. The sporting goods section, so like camping stuff, fishing poles. I even saw like a scope. Lots of stuff on clearance in that like camping outdoor aisle. So check that out as well. Again, more pictures at the end of the video. But one of the things I did find on clearance is this arbor. Now, this is $9. There are 2 high-value offers. There's an Ibotta offer and a Fetch Rewards offer. So I was hoping these were still on clearance when I went to the store. Paid $9 at the register, got back $6 on Ibotta, got back $5 on Fetch Rewards, making it completely free, and a $2 moneymaker. Now, I will tell you, I had to email Fetch Rewards because it did not pick it up immediately. Even when I corrected the receipt, it didn't pick it up. I feel like Fetch has been doing that more recently, which is kind of annoying. But they did credit me the $5 within like an hour of sending them the email, so it got taken care of quickly. These mug treats, lots of stuff on the baking aisle was on clearance, and this was just 83 cents. Also picked up the Berry-tastic, the blue syrup, which looks disgusting, and the pancake mix. Both were marked on clearance. I want to say the syrup was $1.97. The pancake mix was $1.73. Both have $1 rebate on Ibotta. So I picked up one to donate, and this final cost came out to be 73 cents. The other clearance stuff I got. Oh, remember last week I got the chicken breast for $5 for the pack, and it's only like $16. I found this Butterball turkey breast, $5. So it was originally $14.14, marked down to $5. So I picked up one of them. I was tempted to buy more. They had a bunch of them. I picked up one because my freezer is so full. I need to keep eating things out of the freezer so I don't have such a full freezer. Now, this deal is amazing. I posted it over on Instagram. I think I posted it to the community tab. You can pick up a Gatsby chocolate bar anywhere, any store. Submit the free after rebate offer. You're going to get whatever you paid, you're going to get that back to your PayPal or your Venmo. And I'll link that offer for you down below. Great deal on a chocolate bar. These were on Ibotta at one point, but they're not there right now. It's not going to hurt you to scan it just to double check. Other simple food offers I did. I was trying to hit my $5 midweek bonus, so I picked up the Old El Paso. These are 88 cents. Got 25 cents back on Ibotta, making it 63 cents, but it helped me get to that $5 bonus. The Pepperidge Farm bread. So this bread is $3.48. There's a 75-cent Ibotta rebate. Shopkick has an offer for $1.20 back, which makes the final cost $1.53. Now, the Shopkick offer is for like certain brands: Cape Cod, Pepperidge Farm, Late July chips, and I feel like there was another one I can't remember off the top of my head. For some reason, the Shopkick didn't get approved for this, but there's literally a picture of Pepperidge Farm bread in the offer. So I sent them an email, but that has not credited to me yet. I wanted to give you that heads up in case you're only buying it because of the Shopkick offer. It might not come through and you might have to send an email. And I know some people hate having to do that. So just wanted to let you know. Oh no, I have one more food item. This was a great deal. The Dole fruit cups. They're $2.88 regular price. There's a $2 offer back on coupons.com. So submit my receipt and got $2 back, making my final cost 88 cents. Another clearance. So someone sent me a picture of an eye product that they got doing this deal. I couldn't find the eye product, but I did find some foundation. This was $4.29. Marked on clearance. I got $2 back on Ibotta, as well as $2 back on coupons.com, making my final cost just 29 cents. Now, the Axe Fine Body Wash, regular price, $5.97. There's an Ibotta offer for $3 back, as well as a Fetch Rewards offer for $2 back, making my final cost just 97 cents. Check your Shopkick. Mine did not have an offer, but yours might, which would make it even better. Now, this is a Shopkick offer that we did for a while. It has now come back. It's on these Curad self-adhesive wraps. They're $1.97. In my store, it's found with like the athletic equipment. It's not with the like medicine and first aid. $1.97, but Shopkick is giving back $2.26, making it free and a 29-cent moneymaker. I'm trying to make sure I hit everything. Now, when I add all of that up, not even including my Ibotta bonus, I paid less than $5 for all of it. When I include my Ibotta bonus, it was all free, which is crazy, realizing I forgot to tell you about the Dr. Pepper. So, Shopkick has an offer for strawberries and cream Dr. Pepper and the diet strawberries and cream. But when you look at the offer closer, it says it includes the regular Dr. Pepper as well as a few other varieties as well. I had bought the little ones by the register, but I thought, you know what? The bigger one might be an even better value. So the big one here was $2.68, but I got back $2 on Shopkick, making my final cost just 68 cents for this 2-liter bottle. So do what makes most sense for you. Check the different sizes that your store carries. I've purchased the small one and it's credited back to me. And then I purchased this one today and that got credited back to me as well. So less than $5 for all of this, which is pretty much the cost of this guy on clearance anyway. I'm considering that a total win, especially since I got a bunch of food. Of course, if you're not a Target shopper, you're just a Walmart shopper, you can do the mac and cheese deal at Walmart as well. And it looks like, from what I'm seeing, you could do the Astapro deal at Walmart as well. I just happened to be at Target on Sunday, so I picked it up on Sunday, the first day of the sale. All right, hope you guys have a great week. Check out the clearance pictures at the end of the video. Thanks.